Welcome to our detailed video covering the most important MCQ on ethics in teaching aptitude for upcoming B.Ed entrance. In this video, we go through key question answers for ethics in teaching aptitude and more, with a question answer format that's perfect for last minute revision. Let's start. Question number 1. Ethics refers to A. Legal laws, B. Social customs, C. Moral principles, D. Religious beliefs. Answer: C. Moral principles. 2. Professional ethics in teaching involves A. Promoting favoritism, B. Ignoring student needs, C. Acting responsibly and morally, D. Political influence. Answer: C. Acting responsibly and morally. 3. Integrity in teaching means A. Being strict, B. Being honest and consistent, C. Giving free marks, D. Maintaining authority. Answer: B. Being honest and consistent. 4. Confidentiality in education relates to A. Keeping student information private, B. Not talking in class, C. Ignoring student behavior, D. Promoting data sharing. Answer: A. Keeping student information private. 5. Which is an ethical responsibility of a teacher? A. Punishing harshly, B. Treating students equally, C. Ignoring weak students, D. Promoting ranks only. Answer: B. Treating students equally. 6. Moral education includes teaching A. Grammar, B. Values and ethics, C. Geography, D. Technology. Answer: B. Values and ethics. 7. Teachers must be accountable, which means A. Answerable for their teaching actions, B. Free from evaluation, C. Paid highly, D. Can skip duties. Answer: A. Answerable for their teaching actions. 8. Unethical behavior by a teacher is A. Favoritism, B. Patience, C. Objectivity, D. Encouragement. Answer: A. Favoritism. 9. Which of the following is not a professional trait? A. Punctuality, B. Partiality, C. Empathy, D. Respect. Answer: B. Partiality. 10. Bias in education means A. Fair grading, B. Unfair preference, C. Group work, D. Teaching methods. Answer: B. Unfair preference. 11. What is objectivity in teaching? A. Avoiding personal bias, B. Promoting opinions, C. Giving lenient marks, D. Ignoring syllabus. Answer: A. Avoiding personal bias. 12. Fair assessment means A. Same rules for everyone, B. Helping a few, C. Random marks, D. Ignoring performance. Answer: A. Same rules for everyone. 13. One key value in teaching ethics is A. Aggression, B. Respect, C. Self-interest, D. Avoidance. Answer: B. Respect. 14. Cultural sensitivity involves A. Ignoring diversity, B. Encouraging only English, C. Respecting all culture, D. Supporting one group. Answer: C. Respecting all cultures. 15. Conflict of interest occurs when A. Students are noisy, B. Personal interest affects decision, C. Teaching online, D. Student performance drops. Answer: B. Personal interest affects decision. 16. The teacher-student relationship must be A. Respectful and professional, B. Friendly only, C. Personal, D. Lenient. Answer: A. Respectful and professional. 17. A code of conduct is A. Set of rules for behavior, B. School timetable, C. Uniform code, D. Exam guide. Answer: A. Set of rules for behavior. 18. Ethical leadership in teaching means A. Being bossy, B. Leading by moral example, C. Punishing students, D. Avoiding interaction. Answer: B. Leading by moral example. 19. Character education develops A. Academic marks, B. Moral values, C. IQ only, D. Physical strength. Answer: B. Moral values. 20. Which is an unethical classroom practice? A. Discrimination, B. Encouragement, C. Teamwork, D. Feedback. Answer: A. Discrimination. I hope this video helped you for your B.Ed entrance exam. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Comment below what topic you want next. Thank you for watching.